very quick manifestation as to why I objected to the motion. Number one, no other than the President himself has said that there must be transparency and accountability, especially with regard to the discussion of the national budget. And so we must scrutinize the OP budget in that spirit. Second, may I just remind my honorable and distinguished colleagues that the power of the purse is vested upon the House of Representatives. And also in that spirit, we must scrutinize every peso and every centavo being given to the agencies and departments para naman po maging fair sa ating mga manggagawat ordinaryong Pilipino, dahil pera po ng mga manggagawat ordinaryong Pilipino pinag-uusapan natin dito. We will support the bill that will be pushed regarding the formation of an independent commission, and we will reserve the questions to the plenary with regards to the attached agencies of the Office of the President.